Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we have 1 hour and we'll be using only one product to clean around the home. So join me today to see how many things we can get done within that time frame. You can clean along with me or you can watch and get motivated. So we have set the timer to an hour on the phone, and then we're just going to get a dish and just get some water in there, washing up liquid, which is going to be the one product that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to begin with something quite light, which is the front of the microwave. It's not that bad. I just think it had a little bit of finger marks on it that just needed to be cleaned off. And then I'm going to use a microfiber cloth just to remove the excess product, and yeah, as you can already tell, it looks a lot better. And then I am going to clean the outside of the washing machine, so the silver bit. Normally I'll be using like 2 different products with this, but today I'm just going to use washing up liquid. For the glass itself, sometimes I just use white vinegar, but there's something about using this washing up liquid which is making things a little bit easier, and it just dissolves any marks that are left over there. As you can see, it's looking a lot better already, and I'm just wiping everything off again, just using a microfiber cloth, and I like how it's looking. So yeah, so far so good, and we still have some time left, so I'm going to get rid of that water. My cleaning toothbrush, I'm getting into those hard to reach areas. As you can see, a little bit of soap buildup and stuff has been there, and that's where you store like your washing up liquid or any of the cleaning creams we used to clean around the house. So the little basket needed a little bit of a deep clean, and I find using washing up liquid works really well with really hot or warm soapy water. After emptying that again, I'm now going to tackle the cupboards. So everybody touches these with greasy hands when you're cooking. Oil spillages, everything happens when you touch the cupboards. So I'm just going to basically use again a sponge with warm soapy water, and I'm just going to get in there really. I think because it's right next to the cooker, so grease easily builds up. The buildup easily happens on both the front and on the sides, and using a microfiber cloth, I'm just going to wipe off any excess product. And yeah, I can repeat this process as many times as I need to, but this wasn't as bad because it cleaned it the month prior, so not too bad. And then I'm going to empty the water again because it had some grease. So now onto this door. I cannot remember the last time we cleaned the doors, so I'm going to tackle those. I'm going to do the front and the back, and yeah, I normally would use probably the pink stuff, the cream cleaner. So as you can see, there's some dust building up on that corner of the door, the hinges of the door. So using this sponge and washing up liquid, I find that the dust comes off a lot easier and a lot quicker. I probably would need to get like a little cleaning toothbrush to get into the corners and the hinges of there, but this is working out very well, the top and the bottom of the hinge. I find that warm soapy water is really good, especially if it's not really hard dirt that you need to get off. So this is working out very well for me today. We're going to wipe everything off using a microfiber cloth, which will ensure that we're collecting all the dirt and water. So with that side done off this door, I'm going to do the other one. I didn't want to record it because you guys already know how to clean a door, so I don't have to show you again. So this is now after I've done the other side of the door. We had 18 minutes left. And I'm just going to clean this console, which has got a little bit of buildup, dust mainly, and a little bit of fingerprints. So I'm just going to tackle that really quickly and use a microfiber cloth to wipe everything. So if you guys are enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you are enjoying this type of content. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this video. So we still had a few minutes left, and I thought I will tackle this window because this window is just by the sink. All the splashes of water and everything goes onto it. So again, I'm just going to use warm soapy water to just wipe, actually give this a deep clean. It's not so bad, but it's bad. So I'm just going to wipe this windowsill as well and make sure all the dust and anything else that could be building up there is completely taken off. And I'm going to wipe, using a microfiber cloth, which is my absolute favorite cloth to use when cleaning, because it makes sure that everything comes off, and you can still see a little bit of the water stains, but that's from the outside. So that's our time up, and honestly that was intense a little bit because I'm trying to race against the clock, but I'm so happy that I managed to tackle some of the things that have been needing to be done for some time. And using washing up liquid was great, which was already mixed with the water, because normally I'll be carrying little bottles of spray bottles and stuff to ensure that everything, I'm using the right product for the right place. But washing up liquid was really great, especially on more surface areas. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel.